Meaning of indoor.
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 Indoor. The term indoor typically refers to a space that is within a building, enclosed or sheltered from the elements and other outdoor factors. An indoor environment may provide protection from weather, noise, pollution, and other external disturbances. It is usually associated with activities that are conducted within a building, such as working, studying, or playing games. Indoor spaces can be designed to meet specific purposes, such as recreational facilities, offices, residences, and commercial establishments. Overall, the concept of indoor highlights the importance of comfortable and functional interior spaces for a wide variety of human activities and needs.